Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we are talking about the Porsche 928S Safari from the series Hot Wheels Dirt and the 2024 Treasure Hunt. As this car first appeared in 2023 Baza Blazer series. Let's take this 2024 Porsche Safari out of the box and see how it looks. And as all you know, the diecast car always look better out of the box. So what do you think? Do you prefer them out of the box or kept in the packaging? Let me know in the comments below. Check this out. It's a cool red color car with awesome sponsor decals, the number 8, black and yellow stripes, and the various logos. It even has a treasure hunt symbol on it. Since I'm a Porsche fan, I bought this one from Amazon. And if you're looking to buy, check the link in the description. I know it can be hard to find in store, so why not shop online, right? And it has a tinted windows, a black interior, and a black plastic base, and it's from Malaysia. The wheels are 5-spoke, brown with the black rims. You can find this car in Q mix of the 2024 Hot Wheels mainline cases. Now, if we talk about the real car, it's based on the high-performance sports car that has been modified for off-road and rally racing. That's all I have to share about the Porsche Safari today. Let me know in the comment if you have the miniature version from 2023 or 2024. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new here, please subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, please like, share, and comment. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. See you all in the next video.